Good morning, my wonderful students. How are you doing today? And welcome to How to Rock Second Grade with Miss Howe. Today we are going to be doing arithmetic pages 292 all the way to page 300. So that way you're prepared for the whole week. Are you ready? I'll give you a moment so you can go ahead and grab your books. Awesome job, boys and girls. Let's go to page 292. Are you there? Wonderful. Okay, on page 292, you are going to need to have your thinking cap and your listening ear. Are you ready? Let's put those on nice and tight. Make sure it's nice and tight. Get those listening ears. Oh, I don't need this. And let's dive in. Number 1 tells you to listen to your teacher and mark the correct answer. Now, look at the number word. Mark onto the box that has the combination that means the same as the number word. Which one of these has the same as the number 9? Six plus 3 is 9. Very good. And 15 minus 6 is 9. So that means you're going to be marking under that box. That's the second box. Good job, boys and girls. Let's go to number 2. Continue the counting pattern and mark under the correct number. 75, 70, 65, 60. Correct, boys and girls, because we're counting backwards by 5. Look at the number marked under the combination. That means the same. We have 5,403. Which combination is the same as 5,403? Did you select the first one? You are correct. Number 4. Look at the place value card. Mark under the correct number. How many stars in the hundreds section? 5. We have no stars in the tens, and we have 3 stars in the ones, so that gives us 503. Number 5. Mark under the number with a 4 in the tens place. We have thousands, hundreds, tens. There you go. The second one. Very good. Number 6. Look at the combination to the left. Mark under the combination. That means the same. So, what is the same as 2 multiplied by 7? Well, 2 times 7 is 14. So, let's find an answer that's going to equal 14. Did you get 7 plus 7? You are correct. Let's go to number 8. Mark under the answer that is an estimated sum. Oh, no, I'm sorry, that's number 9. We are on number 8. Oh, we're on number 7. So 15 plus 41, the estimated sum is going to be 60. Very good. Now let's go to number 8. I'm going to read you a story and you're going to listen. Marco and Sophia went fishing with their dad. Marco caught 6 fish and Sophia caught 7 fish. How many fish did the children catch all together? Mark under the correct combination. 6 plus 7. Excellent job, boys and girls. Letter 9. Number 9. Ooh. Marco, Sophia, and Dad went fishing another day. Each of them caught 2 fish. How many fish did they catch all together? Mark under the correct answer. If the answer is not on your paper, mark NH for not here. So they each caught 2 fish, and there's 3 of them. So 2 times 3. I don't see 6 here. Do you see 6? So that means number 9, we are marking NH. Very good. Let's go to number 10. Mom bought 9 snack bars to give to Marco, Sophia, and Dad before their fishing trip. She gave each of them an equal number of snack bars. How many bars did each person get? Did you say 3? You are correct. 3 is the right answer. Let's go to page 292. And boys and girls, for those of you following on Abeka, we are on lesson 146. On page 293, we are starting with fractions, and we're doing mixed numbers. Remember, a mixed number is when you have a whole number and a fraction. Like I say, 2 and 1/3. 2 is my whole number, and 1/3 would be my fraction. So let's look at the first one. Mark under the correct mixed number. How many whole circles do we have? We have 3 whole circles. And what is the fraction? 1 out of 4. Very good. So we have 3 and 1/4. Very good, boys and girls. Let's go to the next one. How many whole do we have? We have 3 whole circles. And how many pieces is shaded in? 2. And how many pieces do we have all together? 3. So you are going to color in 3 and 2/3. Number 2. Number 2, we're all about Roman numerals. So let's go through those. We're going to go across. I is 1. VII, 7. XI, 11. V is 5. III is 3. And I'm going to wait while you figure out the rest. Awesome job, boys and girls. Those Roman numerals are so much fun. Let's go to number 3. Marco's family hiked a short distance on the Bright Angel Trail. Set the clocks and write the times for the family hike. What time do you have on the first clock? That's right. They began at 9:25 in the morning. If they began at 9:25 in the morning, what is it 1 hour later? "10:25 is correct. What is it an hour and a half later? 11:55. You are correct, boys and girls. Let's go to number 4. People may take a burro ride to the bottom of the Grand Canyon. Color 1/4 of the burro bunnies brown. How many are you going to color? I'm going to color 2. If you color 2, you are correct. I wonder what color did you color them? I'm thinking brown or white. What do you think? Let's go to page 294. Number 1. A walking stick is helpful when hiking steep trails. Write the products using the groups of walking sticks to help you. And just like the Roman numerals, we're going to do the first row together, and then you are going to do the rest on your own. 0 times 3 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. 10 times 3 is 30. And I'm going to shh while you figure out the rest. You are doing such a great job, boys and girls. I'm so proud of you. Let's go to number 2. 1 yard is a group of 3 feet. Write a number of feet by multiplying by 3. So 1 yard times 3 is going to equal 3 feet. 3 yards times 3 is going to equal 9 feet. 9 times 3 is going to equal 27 feet. 6 times 3 is going to equal 18 feet. 10 times 3 is going to equal 30 feet. And the last one, 0 times 3 is going to equal 0 feet. You did a great job, boys and girls. Let's look at number 3. This morning, there were some tents set up at the campground. In the afternoon, 17 more tents were set up. Now, there are 47 tents set up. How many tents were at the campground in the morning? What kind of problem is this? That's right, this is a subtraction problem. So we're going to have in our workspace 47 minus 17. So 7 minus 7 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. And that's going to give us the answer of 30 tents were there in the morning. Give yourselves a high five, class. You are doing a fabulous job. And let's roll on over to page 295. I'll wait for you. Very good, class. Now on page 295, we are going to be writing the answer. Oh, do you guys remember these? Okay, let's do it together. 1 year equal 12 months. 1 year equal 365 days. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 foot equals 12 inches. And 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Good job, boys and girls. Now, let's go to number 2. For number 2, you're going to need to use your ruler and draw some nice straight tally marks. Gotta make them nice and straight. Don't make them lean or crooked. We're gonna make nice straight tally marks. Let's count the tents to find out how many tents we have so we can count and make the tally marks. Are you ready to count with me, boys and girls? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. 8 tally marks. Okay, did you put 4 and cross those out? And then 2 more and 1 more equals 8. Excellent job, boys and girls. 8 tally marks. Now let's keep up with that ruler and let's measure 5 centimeters, boys and girls. It's not going to be a very long line. Remember, centimeters are very small. So let's measure 5 centimeters. And now let's measure 2.5 inches. Now that's going to be bigger. Although the number 5 is bigger than the number 2.5, centimeters and inches is bigger than centimeters. So the line for 2.5 inches is going to be longer than the line for 5 centimeters. Excellent job, boys and girls. Now, number 4 asks us to write the sums. That means we're going to be answering what kind of problems? Addition problems. That's correct, because sums mean that you are adding 2 addends together. 9 plus 9, 18. 13 plus 6, 19. 49 plus 9, 58. Oh, here's a good one. 589 plus 299. What did you get? I got a very fun answer. I did too. I got 888. All 3 numbers went matching. 14 plus 2, 16. Oh, and this one is 14 plus 79 plus 53. 3 numbers. Did you get it? That's right. Did you get 146? If you did, that was correct. Let's go to number 6. I'm sorry, number 5. I was moving ahead too quickly. Write the differences. When we write the differences, that tells us we are doing what? We are subtracting. That's right. So let's go ahead and subtract. 18 minus 9 is 9. 17 minus 6 is 11. 58 minus 9 is 49. 400 minus 299, we've got to borrow. Did you borrow? Yes, you did. I got 101. 62 minus 7, 55. 198 minus 90, 108. Excellent job, boys and girls. Now let's go to number 6. Write 10 more than each number. So we're adding 10 to every number. So the first number is 378. Now what is it going to be if we add 10? 378 plus 10 equals 388. Excellent job. Let's do the next number. 635 plus 10. 635 plus 10 equals 645. Excellent job, boys and girls. And the last number, 1,249 plus 10 is going to be 1,259. Excellent job, boys and girls. You are doing great. Now on page 296 is a fun coloring sheet. You go ahead and take your time and do that and have some fun deciphering the codes. It's really fun to do when you're learning to go camping. I'll wait for you. What is your problem?
I can't pick it up.
Good job, boys and girls. Now, let's go all the way to page 297. Oh, wow. On 297, we're just going to write 10,000 more than each number. So what are we adding by? That's right. We're adding by 10,000. Yes, you are correct. You're just going up one in the 10,000 place. So 23,671 added by 10,000 is going to give us 33,671. Very good. And 78,098 plus 10,000 is going to be 88,098. Excellent job, boys and girls. Let's go to number 2. Write the products of the multiplication twins. What does the product mean? You are multiplying. 5 times 3 equals 15. And that's the same as 3 times 5, which is also 15. 2 times 3 equals 6, which is the same as 3 times 2 equals 6. 1 times 3 equals 3, and that is the same as 3 times 1 equals 3. 7 times 3 equals 21, and that is the same as 3 times 7 equals 21. Number 3, find the parameter. Now, we know that one side is 4, another side is 7, another side is 4, and the other side is 7. What are we going to do with all those numbers? When we are finding the parameter, that means we are adding all the sides. So 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4. And what number are we going to end up with? 22. So the parameter of this shape is 22 inches. Very good. Let's go to number 4. 37,263 plus 12,799. I'll give you a moment to figure it out. Don't forget to carry. Excellent job, boys and girls. Now, what answer did you get? Did you get 50,062? You did? Excellent job, boys and girls. Let's go to the next one. 3,142 minus 287. Don't forget to borrow. Okay, and my final answer was 2,855. Is that the answer you got? Excellent job, boys and girls. Let's go to number 5. In number 5, do you remember our alligator? We're doing greater than, less than, or equal to. 18. Oh, pardon me. I read the instructions incorrectly. We're writing if it's addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication to get the answer. 18 2 equals 9. What goes in that box? 18, that's right, 18 divided by 2 equals 9. The next one, we're going across. 7, 9 equals 16. 7 plus 9 equals 16. And the next one, 5, 4 equals 20. That's right, 5 times 4 equals 20. And I'll wait for you as you finish the rest. Number 6. Marco and his family took water on their hike. Mark under the measure used for liquids. Yards? No. Pound? No. Pint? That's correct. So pint is used to measure liquid. It could be milk, water, juice, but we measure it using pints or ounces. Number 7. There are 2 mixed fractions here. Go ahead and circle them. And in number 8, we're going to estimate the sum. What is the estimated sum of 52 plus 16? 70. Good job, boys and girls. Give yourself a high five. And let's go to page 298. If you're following along in Abeka, that is lesson 149. Write the differences. I'm going to be shh while you figure those out. Good job, boys and girls. Oh, I know those differences are getting easier every day. You're becoming a pro at them. Before you know it, you'll be a whiz kid at doing these differences. Number 2, Sophia bought a set of Grand Canyon postcards. That cost $3. She gave the clerk $5. How much change did she get back? Well, yes, Sophia has to subtract. 5 minus 3 equals 2. She got back $2. Don't forget, you're writing it in the form of money, so don't forget your money sign. Dad ate 5.5 pancakes for breakfast. Dad must have been hungry. Marco ate 5 1/3 pancakes. Woo! Who ate the most pancakes? Who ate the most, boys and girls? 5.5, 5 1/3. Which one is more? That's right. 5.5 is more than 5 1/3. Draw a picture to show the largest number of pancakes. The first pancake is already drawn for you. So you go ahead and draw those pancakes. Make them look absolutely delicious. Number 5. This is how the tents at the campground are arranged. Mark the combination that tell how many tents there are all together. Now there's 2 combinations that you can use. Look at these tents. We have 3 rows of 4. So we can say 4 plus 4 plus 4, or we can say 4 times 3, because both of those are going to give us the exact same answer. Excellent job, boys and girls. I am so proud of you. Let's go to the next page. On page 299, number 1, you're going to do that all on your own because you are going to be writing the sums and differences. And remember, boys and girls, you are doing a great job. Awesome job, boys and girls. The next step, we're going to go to number 2. And number 2 is talking about quotients. Do we remember that a quotient is the answer to a division problem? Very good. Let's do the first one together. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 into 50 is 5. And 2 into 24 is 12. Let's go to the next row. 40 divided by 5 is 8. And 10 divided by 10 is 1. 2 into 14 is 7. And 5 into 55 is 11. Let's go to number 3, where we write the products. And the products are the answers to multiplication questions. You are doing great. 5 times 5 is 25. 8 times 10 is 80. 1 times 9 is 9. 6 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 7 times 3 is 21. And 3 times 8 is 24. Number 4, use the bar graph to answer the questions. Look at the bar graph, boys and girls. We see the grades at the bottom, and at the side, we have the numbers, right? Now, let's see. Which grade had the most campers? Second grade is correct. You see, you follow the bars and go all the way up. Second grade had 50 campers. Which grades had the same number of campers? First grade and fourth grade. They had 30 campers. Now we have to, how many campers were in first grade, second grade, third grade, all together? So we're going to add first grade with 30, second grade with 50, and third grade with 40. And what do we get? 120 campers. Excellent job, boys and girls. Let's go to page 300. Sophia has 2 $1 bills. She also has 3 quarters. How much money does she have? 2 $1 bills, 3 quarters, and 1 nickel. How much money does she have? So 2 plus how many quarters? $3.75 plus a nickel 80 cents. So that's $2.80. If she buys a candy bar for 95 cents, how much change will she get back? So now we're going to have $2.80 minus 95 cents. And how much money does Sophia still have? That's right. She has $1.85. Number 2. Marco wants to buy a walking stick that costs $10.20 and 28 cents. He has one $5 bill and five $1 bills. He has 2 quarters, 2 dimes, and 3 nickels. How much money does he have? One $5 bill and five $1 bills, that's $10. 2 quarters, that's 50 cents. 2 dimes, that's 70 cents. And then we have 3 nickels, that's 85 cents. So he has $10.85. Now, how much does the walking stick cost? $10. So does he have enough money? Yes, he does. How much change will he get back? Did you say 57 cents? Yes, because the walking stick cost $10.28. So he will get back 57 cents. Good job, boys and girls. Now you're going to be writing 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts for the numbers below. You have 2, 5, and 10. Remember, they're mirror problems. So 2 times 5 is 10. That means 5 times 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. That means 10 divided by 5 is 2. Next we have 3, 4, and 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. Excellent job, boys and girls. Please pardon Miss Gracie as she barks at the mailman. Let's go to page 301. And that is our last page for today. Now, you know, boys and girls, I'm going to wait for you to do number 1. Because we have been working on that on all these pages. With how much money do you have, how much you spend, and what do you have left. So I'll wait for you. Excellent job, boys and girls. So if you have $15 and you spent $12.36, how much money do you have left? $2.64. If you had $10 and you spent $7.41, how much money do you have left? $2.59. Great job, boys and girls. Give yourself a high five. And let's go to number 2. In number 2, we're going to be rounding to the nearest 10. So 68 is closer to 70. 13 is closer to 10. 45 is closer to 50. And 97 is closest to 100. Good job, boys and girls. Oh, did you see that volcano picture right at the side? Oh, that's a picture of Old Faithful. That's located in Yellowstone National Park. Let's go to number 3. Write the sums and differences. Boys and girls, I'll wait for you. You got this. Awesome job, boys and girls. Let's look at number 4. Write 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts using these numbers, 2, 4, and 8. So what are we going to use? 2 times 4 equals 8, and 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Excellent job, boys and girls. Let's go to number 5. Number 5, you were writing the product. 8 times 3 is 24. 10 times 3 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. 7 times 3 is 21. Boys and girls, you did so awesome. Give yourselves a pat on the back, another pat, a high five for a job well done. I'll see you soon. Bye.